Choosing the right bidding strategy for your campaign can be the difference between success and wasted budget. With so many options available, it's important to understand the key factors that will help you make an informed decision. Here's a simple guide to help you choose the right bidding strategy for your next campaign. Number 1, understand your campaign goals. Before you dive into bidding strategies, it's essential to clearly define your campaign goals. Are you looking to drive more website traffic, or is your focus on conversions, such as sales or lead generation? Different bidding strategies are tailored to different goals. For traffic, a strategy like cost per click could work well, as it focuses on getting people to click through to your website. For conversions, if your goal is to drive sales or leads, consider using cost per acquisition bidding, which optimizes actions rather than just clicks. Number 2, performance and auction dynamics. One of the most important things to understand is how bidding works in the context of performance and auction dynamics. Every time an ad is displayed, it enters an auction. The outcome of this auction depends on your bid and the relevance of your ad. So, if you're in a highly competitive auction with a large number of advertisers, a higher bid might be necessary to secure a top spot. But if the competition is low, a lower bid could suffice. Performance plays a huge role here. If your ads are performing well and have high engagement rates, you might be able to bid lower while still achieving your desired results. On the flip side, if your ads aren't performing as well, you may need to adjust your bidding strategy to boost visibility. Number 3, consider the user's journey. Understanding where users are in their journey also helps in selecting the right bidding strategy. If your goal is to increase awareness, you might choose a bidding strategy that prioritizes impressions like CPM. This can help your ad reach more people in the early stages of their decision-making process. However, if you're targeting users who are closer to making a purchase, using a conversion-focused bidding strategy like CPA might be more effective. The closer a user is to taking an action, the more you'll want to focus on driving those conversions at an optimal cost. Number 4, budget constraints. Your budget is a significant factor in selecting a bidding strategy. If you're working with a smaller budget, you might need to choose a more controlled bidding strategy like CPC or maximize clicks. These options let you set a clear budget and monitor how much you're spending. On the other hand, if you have a larger budget and more flexibility, you might want to experiment with more advanced bidding strategies like target return on ad spend or CPA. These strategies optimize based on results rather than clicks or impressions, which can be more cost-effective in the long run. Number 5, auction complexity. The complexity of the auction can also influence your choice of bidding strategy. Google Ads has smart bidding options that use machine learning to adjust bids based on real-time data. If your campaign involves a complex auction with various targeting criteria, these smart strategies can help simplify the process and improve performance over time. Number 6, test and adjust. Even after you've chosen a bidding strategy, it's important to test and adjust over time. The digital advertising landscape is always changing, so regularly reviewing your performance and making adjustments will ensure that your bidding strategy is always aligned with the goals and the current market conditions. Choosing the right bidding strategy is about balancing your campaign goals with budget constraints, understanding your audience's journey, and adjusting for performance and auction dynamics. By considering these key factors, you can select a strategy that maximizes your chances of success without overspending. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you need help with your Google Ads, I invite you to take the 14-day free trial of my coaching program. Thank you and see you in the next one.